welcome back. We're on episode 29 of our marketing research journey. If you've been loving our series, don't forget to give us thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future insights. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of brand equity research. Trust me, it's something every brand swears by, and for good reason. Alright, let's talk brand equity. You know, when you're walking down a supermarket aisle and you reach out for that familiar brand of cereal without even thinking, or when you defend your favorite smartphone brand during a friendly debate, even though there are dozens of similar models out there. It's all interconnected with brand equity. These brands have crafted an image, a promise that resonates deeply with you. They're not just selling a product, they're selling an emotion, a feeling of trust. Companies know that it's not just about having a recognizable logo or a catchy jingle. Those are just the tip of the iceberg. Through rigorous brand equity research, they tap into your emotions, aspirations, and needs. They understand how their brand can make your morning routine feel just right, or how it can be the hero in your day gone Khouri. The power of a brand, its equity, lies not just in its ability to be remembered, but in its capacity to be cherished. When brands invest in understanding this emotional landscape, they can draft experiences that don't just meet expectations but exceed them. They are not merely in the market to sell, they are here to create relationships, build trust, and become a reliable chapter in your life story. And that, my friends, is why brand equity research is a game changer. Now, if we break it down, brand equity has some key pillars. Imagine you're browsing online and amidst the sea of advertisements, one brand's ad catches your attention. You pause, maybe even smile. That immediate recognition and the pause, that's brand awareness working its magic. It's like seeing a familiar face in a crowd. Moving on, consider those moments when a certain brand reminds you of a cherished memory or evokes a particular emotion. Maybe it's a watch brand that reminds you of your grandfather's classic timepiece, or a jingle that transports you back to your childhood. These are brand associations, the emotional and cognitive connections we form over time. Now, there's perceived quality. It's beyond just the product specs. It's the extra sparkle, the assuredness that this brand is top tier. It's why you might opt for a particular coffee brand, convinced it's richer and more aromatic than the rest. Brand loyalty, on the other hand, is like an old friendship. Through thick and thin, you stick together. It means consistently picking one brand over countless others, time and again, because they've earned your trust. These dimensions of brand equity aren't merely theoretical concepts, they are the building blocks of trust, preference, and choice in our consumer journey. Let's pull back the curtain on how brands really get to the heart of your feelings and perceptions. Imagine you're in a room and there's a detective board linking different methods to uncover the mystery of brand equity. First up, surveys. Think of them as the foundational blocks, the groundwork. They are straightforward Q&A sessions that gauge your thoughts and feelings about a brand. Then we have focus groups, which are more like spirited group discussions at a cafe. Here, you and others share tales of your brand experiences, sometimes with surprising revelations. For a deeper dive, brands might invite you for a one-on-one chat, much like an intimate podcast episode delving into your personal brand stories. Your online interactions? Oh, they're gold. Each time you tweet, post a review, or share a story, brands are all ears. With social media listening, it's like they're sifting through a digital diary, piecing together insights, and for the cherry on top, there's conjoint analysis. It's akin to a game where brands identify which features or services make you tick. Every method, every tool, every chat adds another piece to the brand equity jigsaw, helping businesses see the full, vibrant picture. And there we have it, the wonderful realm of brand equity research laid out for you. Brands use these insights to polish their image and keep giving you what you love. If you've enjoyed this deep dive and want to journey with us into the world of competitor analysis in the next episode, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Thanks for hanging out with us. Stay curious. Until next time.